Hi friends, good evening. This is Nurullah with you all. Today is World Smile Day. If you smile or if you see someone smiling, automatically you feel as if you gain a great deal of energy from within you. Whenever you smile, there is a lot of good chemical reactions happening within your body that make your body re-energized, reinvigorated. Smiling is the best thing the human being can ever do. But most of the times, simply because of the fact that we are preoccupied and obsessed with so many so-called adverse and negative things, we frequently forget to smile, which is really disadvantageous for us. Imagine you are driving in a desert and your vehicle has a certain amount of fuel and you have a long way to go, let's say 200 to 300 kilometers, while you have the fuel sufficient for you to travel just 50 kilometers. What you would do? You would desperately search for some place where you can fuel your vehicle. You would always search in your map and whatever the possible means that you would try your best to try to find a place where you can take your vehicle and fuel it. Otherwise, it's a desert. There is no way. Then you will be stranded and there is no one to help you. Then take another example. You are using your smartphone and the smartphone, the battery percentage is the 10% remaining, and you wanted to recharge your smartphone, but there is no electricity or there is no provision or electrical socket for you to be able to charge your smartphone. What you would do, and you are supposed to do a very important task in the smartphone in terms of your business assignment or sending some email with some important attachment and meetings or whatever. So you would desperately try to find a mean to recharge your smartphone. If this is the case in your life, then when you yourself is found to be deficient of energy, deficient of the fervor, the enthusiasm, then why you forget to refuel and re-energize yourself? How you can do? Smile. Try to bring the smile with force in you after thinking about your blessings that God gave you, rather than thinking about your negative things that you may not have. There are n number of things that you are blessed with which you can smile every second, but you forget to smile even weeks. Try to bring the smile in you every now and then, with your face muscles stretching with its fullest extent. Enjoy your smile with every extent of it, as if you're sipping a tea with every drop of it being enjoyed like a Zen state. Smile. Keep smiling. Never forget to smile. This is the best thing in your life. Happy World Smile Day to all of you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. Thank you for watching this video.